to the Little Mama Sofi kitchen tour. I want to take a few minutes out of my day to show you where delicious happens. But first, I want you to meet my tiny puppy and favorite taste tester, Zeus. Now, on with the tour. First, I want to show you my idea box. Sometimes I stare and wait until I get an idea. Doesn't work all the time. When it doesn't work, I look for more inspiration in my cookbooks. One of my favorites is Chef Emeril Lagasse's There's a Chef in My Soup for Kids. Another one is The Complete Cookbook for Young Chefs. I like this one because my dad gave it to me on my birthday. Now, the grandpappy of all of them is The New Professional Chef, the Culinary Institute of America, otherwise known as the CIA. Over here, we have the KitchenAid. We have a lot of gadgets in our kitchen, and this just happens to be one of my favorites. I make my amazing mashed potatoes and cake batter in this bad boy. As a family, we spend a lot of time in the kitchen because delicious happens here. Also, we geese the cook. This is one of my favorite gadgets in the kitchen. It's called the Ninja. It can blend together any flavors that you want. Over here, we have the Spice Rack. It has any flavors that you could ever dream of in here. All these flavors makes me feel like I have the opportunity to play with flavors I've never known of before. Right here, we have the cookie jar. I feel like every family should have a cookie jar, so if they make an accomplishment like get a good grade, reach their goals, or get on a cooking show, hint hint, they can get a reward. Thank you for taking the time to watch my kitchen tour. I hope to see you in the next Little Mama Sofi cooking show. Bye-bye!